Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really exciting video. It is my apartment tour. So this is the empty apartment tour. So yeah, I'm standing at my front door. So we're gonna say that. So we're gonna go through. So coming in the front door kind of looks like this. So I will flip you guys around and you'll walk through. So as soon as you walk in, you have the kitchen. So it has fridge, stove, microwave. In there is the laundry. So we got the laundry and then a little bit of storage there. And then we have some more storage, the sink, the dishwasher. Front door right next to it is a little closet. And then so this space here would be like a dining room space, but we're probably not gonna use it. Living room. And then this is mine and my boyfriend's room. Decent. And then we have our closet, and then we have our bathroom, which is nice, and then we have some nice windows, and then yeah, the front. And then this is my friend's room, so they're pretty much the same size. And then her closet. And then this is her bathroom, and then I guess like guest bath. But that is all for our apartment tour.